when we came up with this idea and they committed to do it, it was just awesome that they said, okay, let's go do it. And I know Andrea over here was the, whoa, fishing tournament, we can't do that. I mean, it's too much for Carol and I to do. And so, but what is good about Kohala is that if you can't do what you're intended to do, that is with the purpose, you partner. You partner with somebody. And we call that in Hawaii, kompang. Okay, kompang is partnership. Okay, so we partnered with Kahana Noyao, and Dennis and Lehua were the one that hustled all the prizes and just put this thing together. So this wouldn't have happened, of course, if we didn't have coordinators like Dennis and Lehua, and also with the fishermen. How about a hand for Dennis and Lehua, please?
Okay, you know, like when the community harvest came to us, they said we're going to do seafood and aquatic resources. So we came up with the idea of how we're going to gather fish. So a fishing tournament is a good vehicle, and you know, give the boaters a chance to play and participate, and also gather fish. So we had 6 boats in our fishing tournament, and they all caught fish. So how about a hand for our captain? Okay, this is our board of fish caught and the teams. Okay, we had small crack warning, gale warning, and they still went. And I guess the Lord was with us. We had good enough weather that they could fish, and they all caught fish. Okay, to start off, each boat, we have a $50 gas gift certificate at Chiki's gas station. Wow. Captains, come on. You know, to go fishing, yeah? To go fishing, it costs these fishermen anywhere from $100 to $200 just to go. Yeah, you know how much gas costs nowadays? So to fuel up your boat, it's going to cost you close to $100. To fuel up your truck that took your boat to the, you know, another $20 to $50, depends how far you go. So they made a real big sacrifice just going fishing for us. Okay, first place in our tournament, we had 6 categories. Okay, and in our small tournaments, you know, the ahi and the marlin, you know, we hardly catch, although somebody caught one. So we usually focus on mahi-mahi and ono, but we also have the ahi and the marlin, just in case we catch one. And again, we did have one boat that caught a real big one. Okay, for first place in the ono division, team number 2, Somito. You can choose anyone. Okay, we get KTA for $25, Luke's for $25. We get minis for $25 and nakaharas for $20 each. Okay, first place, mahi-mahi. Team number 3, KK Maru. Okay, first place, ahi, 130 pounds, Luana. Okay, since we didn't have any marlin, we go to second place, ono, that's Lehua Kid. second place, Mahi Mahi, Frankie C. Okay, second place in the Mahi Aku division, team number 6, Miss Q. Okay, we have 2 categories, total weight categories. We went by, you had to have multiple fishes. So the first place for total weight and bottom fish, 7 pounds, Lehoke. Okay, first place with, he had 3 fishes. I don't know how you got 3, but. Team number 2, Subiko. Okay, we also have Cal Matsuda. He donated some prizes. He was going to make a tournament, but he didn't have a chance to complete it. So he donated these prizes for the teams in this tournament. So, captains, if you guys can come out and take one of these prizes you guys like. Okay, team 1, 2, and 3. Okay, like again, not a plug for our fishermen, but we don't have a launch facility in Kohala. They have to go all the way to Kauai High or Kona. And then, with the cost of fuel, that's a sacrifice they have to make. So we're working on getting a launch facility close by so we can go fishing. We have over 60 registered boats in Kohala. Yeah, that's a lot of fishermen. So that's a lot of fuel that they're wasting going too far. So when we ask for help for the community, go call us, get a launch facility close by. I hope you all can, share with their heartache and problems and support their effort. Okay, the meal that we have, some of the meal that we have are fish that they caught yesterday. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy your guys' lunch, and I'll turn the program over.